Hello, I'm Woody Hill, Vice President, Safety Services at Texas Mutual Insurance Company, and you are just 60 seconds away from being a safer driver. As you can see by the evidence behind me, accidents happen. In 2013, there was a reportable accident in Texas every 71 seconds. They caused 89,270 serious injuries and 3,377 deaths. That's a tragedy. So we've identified 5 things that you can do that will greatly reduce your risk of being injured in a vehicle accident. Slow down, power down, lie down, calm down, and buckle up. In 2013, excessive speed was a factor in 253 fatalities on Texas roads. Cell phones are distractions. Power down before you roll. Don't text and drive. Driver fatigue was responsible for 196 deaths and more than 2,200 serious injuries in Texas in 2013. Tired driving is dangerous driving. Stop, lie down, and get some sleep. Driving angry isn't just about road rage. You make bad decisions when you're mad or upset. So if you're behind the wheel, take a deep breath and calm down. And every time you get in a vehicle, buckle up. It's the single most effective thing you can do to prevent an injury. Well, that's our list. Slow down, power down, lie down, calm down, and buckle up. We'll go into more detail about each of these topics in the remaining 5 videos of our series. But right now, our 60 seconds are up. You are a safer driver. Drive safe, Texas.